How to freeze video in VN Editor app. Hello everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how we can easily freeze videos on VN Editor app. VN is a really good video and photo editing app where you can do different kind of stuff. So let's see how you can do it. First of all, open the app and tap on this plus icon to create a new project. If you have an option to create a new project, just tap on it. Now I'm just going to select a clip that I want to edit. So once you select your clip, all you have to do is tap on the video and select it. Then you will see different options on the bottom of your screen. And then you have an option called freeze right here. So just play the video. So this is the normal video. Now if you want to freeze it on a certain part, you can just tap on freeze right here. Tap on it and it will automatically freeze the video for this duration. So if I play the video, as you can see, the video is frozen for this duration right here in the middle. And you can even edit this and make it shorter or longer according to your need. So I'm just going to make it a bit shorter. So I'm just going to make it half a second. And now if I play the video, it's frozen for half a second and then it continues again. And that's how you freeze a video using your VN Editor app. If you found the video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on new updates. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.